Hi, Montina here, and I'm the founder and CEO of CIA Media Group. We help companies rethink business for the digital age, and we help certified companies win more business. I'm going to talk today about building credit actually after divorce. I'm talking a lot about credit because it's so important for your business, for your personal life, for new furniture, for your groceries, for your traveling. Now, I know there are some of you out there that say, we're debt-free, Dave Ramsey. I've been a Dave Ramsey thumper forever, and I'll tell you what, it works. You should be debt-free, and if that's your belief, do it. I just like using credit. I like credit card points. I like traveling, and I don't have a problem with credit. So I'm not maxing out credit cards that I can't pay off. So I'm literally using credit as a leverage in my life. So building credit after divorce. I would suggest that you make sure that you're watching Brandon Weaver's videos. He talks a lot about your personal credit. First, make sure you get your credit report. You're going to have to look and see what's out there. What did you all have combined? Make sure that you contact the credit card companies. And if both of your names are still on these accounts, you better do something about it, okay? You probably can't get your name off of the account, but you need to talk with your divorce attorney and figure out how you can separate these accounts and make sure that nothing, no matter what, gets paid late. Even if you're just paying the minimum, make sure everything's into your divorce decree information. And then after you're looking at that, take a deep breath, because if you're in some debt, you're gonna have to get out. Bankruptcy might be an answer. I did that after my first divorce. With my second husband, we didn't actually have anything together in our names, nothing. So it was really, really easy to sever that tie. There were no children involved. And so basically, I didn't have bad credit. I just, I had my oldest daughter charge something off of one of my credit cards. I'd be talking to her about that to this day. She's like, Mom, I'm so sorry. I know. And then I paid a student loan late 3 times. I just didn't have the money. And then with the Chase card, at the time when it charged off, I just didn't have it. I was starting a business. I was paying all the bills at home, at least 95% of them. I just didn't have it. And so look at what you can consolidate, make some phone calls, and don't be afraid to tell some sob stories. And I'd be on that phone sometime like, look, in the past, this is my life. It's just been hard. It's not, neighbors be like, oh my God. Think of all of the things that you can do, again, to consolidate. Think of some of the things that you might be able to do that can, make sure your name is correct, or you're gonna go back to your maiden name. And then if you're a male, I'm not gonna put this at females, look at what your ex-wife is doing, or your soon-to-be ex-spouse, if you're, whatever relationship you're in. But get everything, compile everything, look at everything, make sure you consolidate things. And then if you have to bankrupt, there's bankruptcy, there's life after bankruptcy. But also if you're building credit, look at getting some secured cards and look at making sure that you are keeping your utilization low on your credit cards, and look at new ways to establish your credit. So I hope those help. If you have specific questions, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video. You're gonna get over this and you're gonna find love again. Trust me.